My name is Richard Numata, and I'm from Orange County, California. I'm the founder and CEO of Bio-Repellent Scientific Industries. My business is creating plant-based, non-toxic pesticides. Yes, you heard correctly. Plant-based, non-toxic pesticides that outperform any chemicals or trapping systems out on the market today. It took 11 years to get our patents. Our products are currently being distributed to the pest control industry. I need your help to be able to get out to the public. My product represents 15 years of my life, and it's been a challenge because I'm competing against the largest pest control chemical companies in the world. And I've been able to go through and do everything I needed to do to get EPA registrations and register our products in every state, including California. Our product is based on the fiery sensation from chili peppers. Have you ever eaten a hot chili pepper or used Tabasco sauce? Or we're chopping up chilies and you accidentally touched your eyes? Well, that's what the rats, the birds, that's what they feel, that fiery sensation. Well, that's what we have in our products. But it's all plant-based. It's not a chemical. And that's what makes our product so great. I discovered this product while walking through the jungles of the Philippines. And we came upon a gentleman who was boiling water in a can. He put a bar of soap in and ground up chili. And I asked my friend what he was using that for. And he said, it's a natural insecticide. And I said, does it work? And he said, yes. It kills all the insects and gets rid of all the rats. And that's where I had my aha moment. I simply took that concept, brought it back to the States, and I started proceeding on putting the chili or capsaicin into a gel. I have the ability to peek around corners and see things people might not be able to see right away. I worked as a currency arbitrager for a large Japanese holding company. And there I was able to gain a global perspective seeing things. And then I became a serial entrepreneur, and we opened up a chain of quick service restaurants. And there I learned a lot about the challenges of keeping rats and roaches out of your restaurant and having to deal with the health department. I'm also a certified rodent instructor for the state of California. Okay, this is my favorite part, demonstrating the product. This was injected into the water last night. It's still holding its shape. That's how sophisticated my gel is. Doesn't melt, doesn't freeze, stays viscous for years. What we have here is we applied our products onto pipes. That's where the rats are running, up the pipes, across the pipes. That's how they travel. Here we applied it straight onto the extension cord, or cords, telephone lines, cable lines, they're all the same. The rats chew through those lines. 20% of the undetermined fires in the United States are from rodents chewing on electrical lines. That's ridiculous. We have the answer. You just put it on the lines. These are pre-filled trays that we're going to bring out to the market. Just sit them down, put whatever the food they like, put peanut butter on there or whatever food, and then the rats will come up, try to eat the food, get the gel on their feet, then they'll go ahead and they'll rub their eyes, nose, mouths, and they'll think they're on fire. Then they'll track it back to where they're hiding and expose to other rats, and they'll run out of the building. Our products are unique because not only do we have federal EPA registrations on it, but it's registered in every state, including California. And 50% of the federal EPA approved products can't get into the country. Please help us stop groundwater contamination and second generation poisoning of non-target animals. Our products are also not only EPA approved, but NSF approved also for food processing areas. We're the only pesticide in the world that has those two designations. So you can put our product in any restaurant, food processing plant, food storage facility, or supermarket.